Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathaniel. If you are old here, you are welcome. If you are new here, you are also welcome. I want to appreciate everybody who have subscribed. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. We still await those who have subscribed. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe, like and share. You can also comment on the comment section. So today I have these two beautiful church flyer that I'm going to share the PSD with you. So the first one is right here. As you can see, everything is 100% editable. Everything is 100% editable. You can use it for any of your program or event. Everything is 100% editable. As you can see, I have the background here. Excuse me. I have, let me switch everything off so that you can see, I can see all of them as they are. The background is a very simple one. It's a very simple one, so don't worry. It's something you can change the background for yourself and insert any other background that you want. So the particles, everything is there. So as you can see, I'm left with the white background. So I inserted white paper. This is the white background, and then this. May not be able to see it well because I use a divide here, not instead of normal. So then other ones follow. You can just edit this for yourself, and you can change whatever, however you like, the color or anything. Put or choose different background. So as you can see, they are 100% editable. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Let's make this channel grow. So as you can see, everything is here, so you have nothing to worry about. So that's the first one. Then the other one is also here. As you can see, it's a very straightforward something as well. So everything is 100% editable. Everything is 100% editable. You can just edit it and do use it for whatever events that you have. Everything is 100% editable, as you can see. Everything. Alright guys, it's not going to be a very long video. So as you can see, everything is 100% editable. Please like and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.